Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Okay. Hi, I am Sandiso Boso. I am from a company called Do Impossible Enterprise. Our company started after we noticed that there was a massive vandalism in our township. So we then decided that how can we provide for our solutions. Our first solutions that we provided was that of smart cams. Following that, we then decided to bring other solutions and so on and so forth. So for now, we have an e-commerce website where people that want to build their own things like us, they can get stuff like Arduinos, all types of boards. If they want to build robots, they can do that as well, as you can see there. We also provide coding for kids, but we are only working at this point in time only in East London or Buffalo City. We also are in the process of providing smart homes where people can use their smartphones to automate every element of their house, like smart lights, everything. Get hold of us. You can go into our internet address, which is www.doimpossibles.com, where you can see our products that we offer. Yes, and then also you can find us on this number 081-076-5238. Hi, my name is Sandiso Boso. I am a township entrepreneur.